Hello everyone, I'm excited about today's lesson. We call today's lesson an inquiry lesson. Inquiry questions are questions that require you to investigate, plan, and think deeply. Before we get to the actual inquiry question, you are going to do some of that investigating using a couple of GeoGebra tools. The first one is called Comparing and Estimating Whole Numbers. With this tool, you are given 3 different bars, as you can see right here. They represent a certain number of units. The bottom bar tells you how many units it actually is, 16 units. You are going to use that bar to help you estimate the length of the other 2 bars above it. As you can see, this bar is 16 units long, and I'm going to use that to help me estimate how many of those 16 unit bars might be in this top number. For instance, the top bar might have maybe 4 of those 16 unit bars. So that would be a total of 64. Now when I look at the next bar, I can see that it is not as long, it's shorter than the top bar, but it's more than half as long as that bar. When I look closely, I can see that probably if I added about half the length of this bar on, it would be about the same length as the top one. So I'm going to just subtract 8 from 64, and I'm going to guess that it's going to be approximately 56 units long. The other thing I know is that the maximum length of the bar can only be 100, so I can keep that in mind as I'm trying to make my estimations. You might have noticed after I clicked enter down here, the next button popped up. When you're ready to see how close you are, click on the next button. Oh my goodness, I was really close. I was exactly right on the top one. The estimate was 64, and it was a little long on the second one. Okay, so you can check your estimation and see how close you are. When you're ready for the next one, simply click Next. It'll show you the exact numbers, and then you can click Reset to go on to the next number. I want you to use this while you practice working with numbers and estimating before moving on to the next part of the lesson. I'll see you soon.